Good morning, dear students. Today I shall take the same act first, scene third, line 127. This is the speech of Antonio. When Antonio and Bassanio both went to Shylock to get 3,000 ducats, Shylock says, "You insulted me at Rialto. You called me a dog. You abused me. You spat on my face. You spat on my Javis Garbadine. Do you think that a dog has money to give you?" After hearing these words of Shylock, Antonio says, "I am as like to call thee so again. Shylock, I shall call you and behave you in the same way as I was behaving you in the past. I shall behave with you in the same way as I was behaving you in the past. To spit on thee again, I shall spit on your face again in the same way as I was spitting on your face in the past. To spur thee too, I shall push you out of my threshold in the same way as I was pushing you in the past. If thou wilt lend this money, if you are willing to lend me money, lend it not as to thy friends. Don't think that you are going to give your money to your friend." In the previous speech, Shylock says, "I forgot everything, Antonio. I forgot that you humiliated me. I forgot that you disgraced me. Everything I forgot." But the main purpose behind these words of Shylock is to get an opportunity to teach Antonio a lesson. So Antonio says here, "If thou wilt lend this money, lend it not as to thy friends." Don't think that you are going to give the money to your friend. For when did friendship take a breed for barren metal of his friend? This is a very good and classic example of anti-usury. When did any friend take from his friend a profit on a loan of unproductive money? If you will give money to your friend, you will take money to your friend, but lend it rather to thine enemy. Don't give money to your friend. Give money and you think that you are not going to give money to your friend, but you are going to give money to your enemy, to your adversary, to your rival. But lend it rather to thine enemy, who if he break, thou mayest with better face exact the penalty. From whom if he defaults, if he breaks the terms and conditions of the bond, you can without guilt take your penalty, take the forfeiture according to the terms and conditions of the bond. So don't think to give your money to your friend. Give your money to your enemy. Shylock, why look you, how you stamp? Why look you, how you stamp? Now you are in a passion for nothing. Without any reason, Antonio, you are losing your temper. You became angry without any reason. Why look you, how you stare? I would be friends with you. I wish to be your friend. Note here the behavior of Shylock. In the previous scene, you studied an evil soul with a smiling face. There is no art to find the mind's construction in the face. There is no chemistry through which we can read the face of a person and we can guess what is going on in someone's mind. Same behavior you will see here, the behavior of Shylock. I would be friends with you. Shylock is talking here in a very sweet manner, in a very gentle manner, and the main purpose behind talking in a sweet way is to get an opportunity to teach Antonio a lesson for the humiliation, for the behavior which Shylock suffered in the past. I would be friends with you and have your love. I wish your love. I wish your friendship. I wish your love and friendship to win your goodwill, Antonio, and you are losing your temper. You became angry without any reason. I want to make you my friend. Forget the sames. I forgot. The sames means the insults. I forgot everything. I forgot your bad behavior at Rialto before merchants. Everything I forgot. Forget the sames. I forgot the insults that you have stained me with, that you have disgraced me with. Everything I forgot. Supply your present wants. Wants means needs. Forget the sames that you have stained me with. Stained means disgraced. I forgot the insults that you have disgraced me at Rialto before merchants. Supply your present wants. Wants means needs. I want to supply you the needs. I want to supply you 3,000 ducats in which you are, which you need. Supply your present wants and take no doit. Doit means a Dutch coin. To take interest is my business, but I shall not take even a single coin on the money which I shall give you. 3,000 ducats is not a small amount. I don't have such a big amount, but I shall arrange 3,000 ducats with the help of Tubal, a wealthy happy of my tribe. Supply you present wants. I shall supply you what you need now. Take no doit. I shall not take even a single coin. That is a Dutch coin. I shall not take even a single coin as an interest, as a usance on the money which I shall give you, Antonio. You supply your present wants and take no doubt of usance for my monies. You will not hear me, but you are not going to listen me attentively. To take interest, to take usance, to take extra money is my business. But only to make you friend, I am going to sacrifice everything. I shall not take even a single point on the money which I shall give you. This is kind I offer. It is kindness that I offer. It is kind. This is kind I offer means it is kindness that I offer you, and Bassanio, this were kindness. Bassanio says this were kindness. That would indeed be kindness on your part, Shylock. Shylock says, this kindness will I show. Note the words spoken by Shylock. This kindness will I show. Shylock says, do not forget, Antonio, I shall show you my kindness. I shall show you my cruel behavior. I shall show you my callous nature when I shall get an opportunity to teach you a lesson. This is the hidden meaning of the words. This kindness will I show. I shall show you the kindness, Antonio. I shall show you my real behavior when I shall get an opportunity. Go with me to a notary. Notary means a solicitor, a legal officer. This kindness will I show. I shall return you similar treatment. I shall behave you in the same way as you behaved with me in the past. You will see my cruel and callous nature in the future when I shall get an opportunity. So, Antonio, go with me to a legal officer's office. Your single bond, seal me there, your single bond. Seal me there means sign a bond there. Your single bond. A single bond is one which is signed by a single person. Shylock wants to get the signature of Antonio on the bond. That's why he requests Antonio to go with him to a legal officer's office and put his signature there on the bond in which the terms and conditions are written. And in a merry sport, don't take it seriously, Antonio. Don't take it seriously. In a merry sport means for a pleasant joke, it is nothing for you. This bond is a pleasant joke. I know that you are the affluent and rich merchant of Venice, and 3,000 ducat is nothing for you. When your merchandise ships will come back, then you will get a lot of money and you will be able to repay the money before time. I know it is a pleasant joke for you, a merry sport. If you repay me not on such a day, if you repay me not on such a day, in such a place, such sum or sums as are expressed in the condition. Condition means terms of the contract. If you repay me not on such a day, if you will not be able to pay the money on the day that is mentioned in the bond, in such a place, if you will not pay the money on the place which is mentioned in the bond, such sums as are expressed in the condition, and the sums which are mentioned in the bond, if you will not pay the same amount that is mentioned there, and you will not pay the amount according to the terms and conditions, let the forfeit be nominated. Let the forfeit means let the penalty be nominated, means named, means I shall be able to take the penalty according to the terms and conditions of the bond. That's why I want to take your signature. Be nominated for an equal pound of your fair flesh. Let the forfeit be nominated for an equal pound of your fair flesh. Fair flesh is mentioned here, means he will be able to cut a pound of flesh. 1 pound is equal to 400 grams. Means if Antonio does not pay the money on time, Shylock will be able to cut a pound of flesh from his body. That's why he wants to take the signature of Antonio on the bond in a legal officer's office. Let the forfeit be nominated for an equal pound of your fair flesh. Of your fair flesh. Okay. Of your fair flesh to be cut off and taken. In what part of your body pleaseth me? Means if Antonio does not pay the money on time, Shylock will be able to cut a fair flesh from the body of Antonio. Shylock will be able to cut 1 pound of flesh from the body of Antonio on the part of his body where it pleases him. It pleases Shylock. Means Shylock will be free to cut a pound of flesh from every part of his body from where he will want to cut. Antonio content in faith. In faith means content in faith. Sorry. Content in faith means I am indeed content. I shall seal to such a bond. I am ready to put my signature on such a bond. I shall seal to such a bond means I am ready to put my signature on such a bond and say there is much kindness in the Jew. And say there is much kindness in the Jew. Jew, your kindness is reflected through your bond which you get it prepared in a legal officer's office. Now your kindness is reflected through the bond. Now your friendship is reflected through the bond. It is clear to me how kind and generous, how kind and magnanimous you are. You are very kind, you are very generous, you are very magnanimous, and your magnanimity and generosity is reflected through your bond on which you are going to get my signature. I am ready. I am ready to put my signature to supply the immediate need of my friend Bassanio. I am ready to put signature there. Content in faith, I shall seal to such a bond and say there is much kindness in the Jew. Now I am free to say that there is much kindness in the heart of the Jew, in the heart of Shylock. Shylock, You are very kind and generous, and your generosity and magnanimity is reflected through your words and through your bond. Bassanio, you shall not seal to such a bond for me. Bassanio says, Antonio, I shall not allow to put your signature there. I shall not seal. You shall not seal to such a bond. Bassanio says, you shall not seal to such a bond for me. For me, Antonio, I shall not allow you to put your signature. I shall not allow you to finalize that terrible bond, that dangerous bond. That dangerous bond, I shall not allow you to finalize. I shall not allow you to put your signature there on that bond. I shall rather dwell in my necessity. I would rather remain in my present state of need. I would rather remain in my present state of need, but I shall not allow you to sign that dangerous bond. Antonio, why fear not? Antonio says, why are you afraid of, man? Why do you fear? Do not afraid of that terrible bond. I will not forfeit it. I will not forfeit it. Means the bond will not be forfeited. The bond will not be forfeited within these 2 months, that is a month before this bond expires. In the bond, 3 months time period is written there. So Antonio says to Bassanio, within these 2 months, that is a month before, means 1 month before the expiry of the bond, I do expect return of thrice 3 times the value of this bond. Thrice 3 times means 9 times, means many times. 9 times over the money I shall get when my merchandise ships will come back. When my merchandise ships will come back, then I shall get a lot of money, and with the help of that money, I shall repay the debt that I will get from Shylock. So do not afraid of the bond. And here I want to tell you, Antonio does not understand the real motive of Shylock. The real motive of Shylock is not clear